Welcome, young explorers. In today's video, we are going to learn about the relationship between education and technology. Before starting our educational video, subscribe my channel for getting new videos notification. So, let's start our video. The relationship between education and technology is symbiotic and continually evolving, with technology playing a transformative role in shaping the landscape of education. This relationship encompasses various dimensions, including access to information, teaching and learning methods, educational administration, and global connectivity. One of the most significant impacts of technology on education is its role in increasing access to information and educational resources. The Internet has revolutionized the way students and educators access and share information, breaking down geographical barriers and providing access to a wealth of educational content. Online libraries, databases, and educational websites offer a vast array of resources on virtually any topic, empowering learners to explore new subjects and deepen their understanding of existing ones. Furthermore, technology has revolutionized teaching and learning methods, facilitating interactive and personalized learning experiences. Digital tools, such as multimedia presentations, interactive simulations, and educational games, engage students and cater to diverse learning styles. Online learning platforms and virtual classrooms enable flexible and accessible learning opportunities, allowing students to learn at their own pace and from anywhere with an internet connection. Additionally, adaptive learning systems use data analytics to personalize instruction and provide targeted support to students based on their individual needs and learning preferences. In addition to enhancing teaching and learning experiences, technology has transformed educational administration and management. Educational institutions use technology for tasks such as student enrollment, scheduling, grading, and communication. Learning management systems, LMS, streamline administrative processes and provide a centralized platform for course management, content delivery, and student engagement. Educational data systems collect and analyze data on student performance, attendance, and behavior, enabling educators and administrators to make data-informed decisions to improve outcomes. Moreover, technology has facilitated global connectivity and collaboration in education. Online communication tools, video conferencing platforms, and social media networks connect students and educators from around the world, fostering cross-cultural exchanges and collaborative learning experiences. Virtual exchange programs, joint research projects, and online forums facilitate intercultural dialogue and promote understanding among students from diverse backgrounds. Additionally, massive open online courses, MOOCs, and open educational resources, OER, offer free or low-cost educational opportunities to learners worldwide, democratizing access to higher education and lifelong learning. While technology offers numerous benefits for education, it also presents challenges and considerations. Issues such as digital equity, privacy, security, and digital literacy must be addressed to ensure that technology enhances educational opportunities for all students. Moreover, the rapid pace of technological advancement requires educators and educational institutions to adapt and innovate continuously to leverage the full potential of technology in education. In conclusion, the relationship between education and technology is dynamic and multifaceted, with technology serving as a powerful catalyst for innovation and transformation in education. By harnessing the potential of technology, educators and educational institutions can create engaging, accessible, and inclusive learning environments that prepare students for success in the digital age. Thank you so much for watching video.